Hey everyone, how are you all doing today? My name is Seap and in today's video I'm going to share a little secret of mine with you guys. It's all related to my hair care and it's this one oil that I have been using since a child, and if you all want to know which oil that is and what all it does, do keep on watching. So guys, quite often I get asked how is it that I get the volume of my hair, and even though my hair is so curly, how is it that I maintain the frizziness of my hair and the moisture inside my hair, and how is it, how do I get this kind of volume, right? Now, I'm not going to keep the secret for very long or anything like that. It's basically mustard oil. Mustard oil is something that you might not find in a lot of Indian households, definitely not in the Western households for sure. But mustard oil is that one magic oil for your hair, for your skin, even for people to consume. Like, have you guys seen Bengali women? I mean, they have beautiful skin, they have beautiful hair, and the hair is jet black. Of course, I've colored my hair, so the color is different, but this is my original hair color, and that's also jet black. I'm almost 30 now. I do not have any kind of white hair as well, maybe one or two here and there, something like that. But like, this mustard oil I have been religiously using since I was a teen, I think, or even before that. My mom or grandmom have been applying it to my hair at least once a week, and trust me, it has done miracles to my hair. I've never, like, touch wood, I've never had an issue of hair fall, hair breakage, or any issue related to hair altogether. Like, and you have no idea, like, from the past 1 or 2 years maybe, I have stopped the different kind of treatments or different kind of stuff that I do to my hair. I have done rebonding, I have done hair coloring so many times. In short, basically, I've never had any kind of hair related issues. Like, I've seen so many friends of mine go through the same kind of treatment and they've actually had hair thinning issues, hair fall issues, and I've never had that. And I really believe that one reason for that is definitely this one oil that I've been religiously stuck to since I was born. So yeah, so I'm going to tell you a little more about mustard oil, how to use, how not to use, and how often to use, everything and anything that is related to mustard oil. So do keep on watching. So mustard oil is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which, like, in layman term, it means that it's really good protein for your body, for your hair, everything. So and protein is good. I mean, you all know how good protein is. I don't have to get into that kind of stuff. So basically, it's really good protein for your hair, for your body. That is, if you eat if you cook in mustard oil as well. I personally love to cook in mustard oil. Also, a lot of people tend to not like that because of the smell and everything, but if you like heat up the oil real nice and then start cooking it, the smell wouldn't bother you. So do try cooking in mustard oil. It's gonna help. Reduces inflammation in your skin. So if you have any kind of inflammation issue on your scalp or on your skin as well, it will help you. Now, when I say skin, I'm not telling you to put mustard oil on your skin. Never do that. By skin, I mean on your face. Skin, you can use it to massage on your body, on your scalp, all of that, but do not use it on your face because it will end up clogging your pores. It is filled with vitamin E. It helps with hair fall, hair thinning. It helps to regrow your hair. A really deep conditioning hair mask. What it personally helped me is with dry hair, flaky scalp, with dandruff, with frizziness of the hair, with split ends, hair fall, hair damage, because I've done so much to my hair. And over time, as you use it, you will actually see the difference in your hair quality. You will actually see your hair regrowing, you getting thicker, stronger hair. And also it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Let me focus on that a little bit more. So guys, there are a lot of times when we have dandruff in our hair, right? And because of the dandruff, it actually gives us, like, dandruff is one of the main reasons why, you know, you have pimples on your face, or your face is flaky or oily, or your scalp is oily or flaky. So mustard oil really helps with the dandruff situation as well. And if your scalp is clean, your skin will also get better, because scalp is just the extension of your skin, of your face skin. It really helps with controlling your dandruff, which will automatically help in clearing out your skin as well. But nonetheless, that does not mean that you guys use mustard oil on your skin, that is your face skin. You should avoid that. Like, it's a big no, because it will end up spoiling or clogging your pores. So mustard oil is definitely for the scalp, but not for the skin. Even when you use it on the scalp, guys, don't you end up using a lot of mustard oil. All you have to do is just massage it nicely into your hair, and that's about it. You don't need to, use a lot. Massage it and put a little on your roots as well. Just don't overdo it, is what I'm trying to say. For those of you lazy people, you can definitely just do a quick pre-shampoo massage. Just put the bottle in your hair. Like, this is something that my dad does, and my dad has great hair, right? So this is something he will put the mustard bottle in the bathroom itself, and right before he shampoos his hair, he'll just quickly do a 5-minute massage and then just wash it off. So that's also one quick way of massaging your hair, or making sure that some oil goes into your hair, for those people who do not like oiling their hair, and keeping it for an hour or two, all of that. I will also be telling you guys the right way to use a mustard oil right in the end, so do keep on watching, guys. While we've understood how great mustard oil can be good for our hair, it can be really good for our body as well. If you have any kind of muscle pain or soreness anywhere in your body, just heat up a little mustard oil and just massage it all over your body, or ask someone else to massage it for you. You will see results overnight, guys. You will actually see results overnight. That's how great mustard oil is. And it just doesn't end there. Mustard oil, well, it is forbidden to be consumed in the US, but if you are from the US, you can get it for massages and scalp and as a hair oil, but you cannot, I think, consume it over there. But in India, we do tend to eat also mustard oil. I personally love to cook in mustard oil. The food actually tends to taste so much better than compared to making it in vegetable oil. And I mean, it does have a little strong smell, I'm not gonna lie, but if you make the oil really hot and then start cooking, I mean, the smell's gonna go away. So while I've told you guys the best of things that are there in a mustard oil, let me tell you a few things to keep in mind before you start applying the oil. The oil does have a really strong fragrance, not fragrance, but a natural odor to it. So it's quite it's a spicy oil, if I can say that. So just make sure that you're not applying too much, and make sure it does not go into your eyes or mouth, because it's gonna sting. And as I said, make sure it does not touch your skin also, because it will end up clogging your pores. Another thing that I would recommend is that this is for any oil that you guys use. Never put oil in your hair overnight. I mean, I know a lot of our grandmas and our mothers have been telling it ki raat ko oil laga ke so jao, but trust me guys, I have done that for quite a few years, and the next morning I've woken up with really bad pimples on my face, and I as it is have oily skin. So I mean, no matter the skin type, I really believe that leaving the oil in your scalp for about an hour or two max really works out better than leaving it overnight, because I mean, like it said, anything that is overdone is also not good for you. So max leave the oil in your hair for 1 or 2 hours. If you are sensitive to a little bit of strong smell, then probably this oil might not be the one for you. But if you can take it for about an hour to max, and then eventually you just get used to it, it's not that strong also. So I mean, it's going to be really beneficial. So do compromise your smell for about 2 hours. Trust me, you will not regret it. Another thing guys, that this oil I would never recommend for children some bit under the age of 10-15, because they tend to get a little cranky with the fragrance and smell. So for them, you should probably stick to your jojoba, coconut oil, all of that. Don't use this on children. They will not be able to take the smell for sure. Also, if you don't want to use only the mustard oil, you can mix a little bit of almond oil, coconut oil, or jojoba oil. Mix it and use. Another thing guys, no matter what I recommend or anybody recommends on the internet, everybody and every body is different. What suits me, even though it might be natural, chemical, whatever it is, Always do a patch test before you introduce a new ingredient to your skin, whether you intake it or whether you just apply it on your hair, face, body, anywhere. Just do a small patch test, whatever you might be applying. Since this is oil, do a patch test somewhere in your hair, of course, or on your body altogether. Do not try it on your neck or face. And leave it for about 24 hours and see if there are any reactions, any redness, anything to your body. And if not, then go ahead. If yes, then please do avoid using it. Always do a patch test, no matter who says what. Always do a patch test. Now guys, the best way to use this oil is to microwave it for about 30 seconds. Let it heat a little and then apply it. You can apply it with a cotton ball, you can apply it simply with your hands, give a nice thorough massage. That's about it. In fact, any oil that you use, if you don't use a mustard oil, if you're using a coconut oil, whatever oil it is that you're using, you should heat up that oil for about 30 seconds because it activates the ingredients in that oil compared to it just being on the room temperature or it being cold. Simple as that. Heat up oil for the magic ingredients to actually work for you. You can also make a quick hair mask. Put mustard oil, put 1 egg and put yogurt and mix it up. It's going to be a really great hair spa at home. Just go for that and trust me, you will see the difference in the wash itself. So guys, that's all for today's video. I really hope this was helpful. If you have any kind of hair fall, any kind of hair related issues, do try mustard oil for a good 1 to 2 or 3 months, once a week minimum, you guys. Trust me, you will see a difference. And then do let me know in the comments below if this was helpful for you guys or if it actually works for you. I would be more than great if I am able to help someone out there, because I know how tiring and stressing this hair fall situation can be for people. So yeah, that's about it. This is all that I do for my hair, mostly on a weekly basis. Sometimes here and there I will apply different kind of hair mask, DIY or from outside, but this one thing I have been sticking to for the past, say, about 15 to 20 years of my life, and it has worked wonders for my hair. And as I said, that I've done so much to my hair with treatments, colors, everything, and my hair has not budged. So, and I really believe that this is the reason for it. So yeah guys, that's about it for this for today's video. Content is all about self-care, hair care, makeup, all of that. So if you are into that kind of stuff, do consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.